Oke.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Let's pray together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Raditu billahi robba wa bil islami dina wa bi Muhammadin nabiyya wa rasula. Rabbi zidni ilma warzuqni fahma. Amin. Alhamdulillah. Yes, so we're going to start our class by having a little bit of small talk, Bu Fenty. Bagaimana rasanya Ibu 3 level kemarin belajar English conversation?
Oke, Mas Jonata, coba bahasa Indonesia aja ya, Mas Jonata ya.
Ya, nggak apa-apa.
Ini ya saya sama Mbak Baik juga masih merasa masih belum merasa pas aja, karena kalau di conversation itu sebetulnya kami memang masih miskin kosakata ya, karena memang kurang latihan, kurang banyak berbicara selain di sini aja. Ya gitu.
Yes, so you know how you feel. And do you have any idea, kira-kira ada rencana apa nih Bu? 3 bulan ke depan, karena kebetulan kita sedang di program English Conversation 1 level 4 nih. Sudah punya gambaran belum? What you are going to do?
Gambarnya di level 4 ini ya, saya sih berharap mungkin nanti di kosakata saya menambah, Mbak Yunita, terus keberanian saya bicara itu bisa lebih ini lagi, lebih meningkat lagi.
Assalamualaikum Bu Baik.
Waalaikumsalam. Lah kok yang tua-tua yang masuk ini?
Ya, Bu Diana confirm, but I haven't heard from her again up to this minute, so I don't know. Hopefully she will join us soon, and I haven't got any news from Hayden and Gita too, so hopefully they can join us soon. Yeah. So, Bu Baik, saya sama Bu Fenty sedang ngobrol ini apa yang dirasakan dari level 1 sampai dengan level 3 dan apa yang ingin kita lakukan di level 4 ini untuk mengejar, kalau boleh dibilang mengejar, yang kemarin belum dilakukan dan akan dilakukan di level 4 ini, Bu. Silakan, Bu Baik. Kalau Bu Fenty tadi merasa perlu banyak latihan dan perlu input vocabulary items. What about you?
Ya, kami sebenarnya sudah berbisik-bisik ini sebelumnya ini, Mem.
Kenapa, Bu?
Jadi masalahnya memang sama, Mem. Masalahnya memang sama ya. Saya pribadi ya punya kekurangan itu sih, Mem. Jadi seperti yang saya bilang sebelumnya memang lumayan lambat lah kalau dibanding kawan-kawan yang lain, tetapi insya Allah sih tetap semangat ya, walaupun pelan begitu. Saya tahu masalahnya, jadi kami memang kurang vocab gitu ya. Jadi selain memang saya sampaikan sama Mr. Rohani itu memang saya kurang bisa spontan gitu, kebanyakan mikir gitu. Kebanyakan mikir, jadi belum mikir vocabnya ini salah enggak?
Atau karena yang diajak ngobrol emang Pak Rohani gitu, Bu?
Enggak, karena saya di rumah juga kan sebenarnya kalau ini ya, kalau seandainya ini karena suami juga sebenarnya kan termasuk bisa lah begitu bahasa Inggris begitu, sering dipancing begitu, tapi karena kurang bisa spontan begitu dan tidak punya keberanian lebih begitu. Saya tidak tahu ini bagaimana caranya ya untuk menimbulkan keberanian itu, saya tidak tahu. Termasuk pada tes yang tadi pagi, ya sudah pasrah saja sebenarnya, ini bisa enggak ngomong kayak begini, bisa enggak gini ya. Jadi paham maksudnya, pingin banyak ngomong tapi tidak bisa ngomongnya itu, padahal kan ini sudah level 3 yang tes yang tadi pagi itu kan sudah level 3, artinya sebenarnya mestinya sudah bisa lancar lah begitu.
Yeah.
Tapi sepertinya ya kekurangannya begitu ya. Sama dengan Mbak Fenty lah anunya, masalahnya kan saya sudah banyak ngomong dengan Mbak Fenty, jadi bukan rahasia lagi. Cuman karena semangat sih Bun, jadi kami semangat ya dengan keterbatasan saya, terutama ya keterbatasan saya begitu pertama. Kemudian yang kedua memang saya mau kasih contoh juga buat anak-anak saya kan yang 2 orang ini gitu. Kalau saya mundur, ini maju mundur sebenarnya memang mohon maaf ini. Maju mundur gitu. Tapi kalau saya mundur ini nanti anak-anak saya juga tidak semangat karena kan setiap malam juga tetap apa namanya kami belajar sama-sama begitu. Jadi tapi ya begitu kemampuannya memang seperti itu. Saya bilang meskipun Mr. Rohani bilang oh jangan seperti itu, jangan ngomong begitu, tapi ya memang begitu kenyataannya. Nah, terus mungkin yang kedepannya ini, terus yang kedua ini, kami kemarin ini memang keteteran dengan waktu, Mem. Karena kami ada pekerjaan sama dengan Mbak Fenty yang memang agak berat memang pada semester ini yang kami lakukan. Jadi semakin lambat lah kami jalannya.
Yes, I know that feeling, Ibu.
Semakin lambat lah kami jalannya, hampir menangis juga. Kemarin ini terus terang, Bun. Jadi ya begitu ya Mbak Fenty ya, kami keteter sekali dengan waktu. Satu sisi pingin cepet kayak kawan-kawan, tapi ini di sisi lain ada pekerjaan yang ini terkait dengan studi kami, Bu. Jadi ada pekerjaan yang memang membutuhkan fokus kami lebih untuk semester ini begitu. Jadi kami ya maju mundur sebenarnya, tapi udah semangat aja deh gitu. Semangat mudah-mudahan kita bisa jalan dan tidak terlalu mengecewakan tutor kita begitu ya.
Ibu semangat. You can do it. Alright. Insyaallah. Bismillah. Step by step ya Ibu, slow but sure.
Iya, saya dari awal selalu bilang sama Mr. Rohani, saya pelan nggak secepat kawan-kawan, tapi insyaallah lah begitu.
Yes. Semangat Ibu. Alhamdulillah. I had a friend. When I was in the university, she started the final project earlier than the others. In the 5th semester, she started her final project, and then almost all the students responded very negatively of what she did. So because most of us, I didn't know that, but most of our friends thought that, what, in the 5th semester you write your final project, you're not even as smart as them. For example, maybe some students, But then when I met her, she told me, because we're from Tegal, both of us were from Tegal, so sometimes when we met, then she told me stories. And then she told me, because when we write our final project, it takes time. It's not as easy as we think about, right? Probably it won't finish in 1 semester, in 2 semesters. So I need more semesters than you are, So, don't say that. Yes, I know my my skills. I know my English. So I decide to start this earlier than you, so I can finish maybe almost the same like what you do, and it suddenly gave me maybe an inspiration, Ibu, then motivation, and also many factors. There are so many factors that can complete us, right? So I can understand, hopefully, that we can work together, Bu Fenty and Bu Baik, slow but sure, and then let's practice together. Let's add more vocabulary items together, one by one. Yeah, session by session. Don't worry.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Yes. Okay, our topic is about food. Yeah, our first topic is about food. What is the, if I can say your favorite food, Bu Baik, what is it? Kak Daiva's favorite food of yours is Coto Makassar. He likes it very much. What about you?
I don't like Coto Makassar.
Oh, really?
Yes, I don't like. I don't know, but I don't like the taste.
But you can cook this dish, right?
Yes. But my husband, this my favorite, my husband favorite food.
Oh, I see. So what is your favorite food, Ibu?
Traditional food, I like ayam betutu.
Ayam betutu. How do you describe it? How does it taste? I've never
spicy.
Spicy,
yeah.
Okay.
Spicy and full bumbu. Full bumbu.
So
yes,
it's
the Bali's traditional.
I see. So there are some dishes that have maybe or almost similar between Lombok and Bali, yeah.
Yes.
Almost the same.
Yes.
Okay.
Maybe in Lombok, pelalah maybe the name's pelalah in Lombok. Ayam betutu.
So you are from?
I come from Lombok.
Lombok, okay.
Lombok Island. But I stay in Bali about 6 years.
Oh, really?
Yes, I ever stay in Bali.
How long did you stay in in Makassar?
7 years.
7 years. And then you moved to Semarang?
Yes.
Yes.
Since 2017.
Okay.
2017.
That's interesting because I only spend my life in one area. I was born in Boyolali, but my parents brought me to Tegal, and I was raised in Tegal. Then I went to Semarang since I started my college or university life.
Yeah.
To today.
I ever stay in Yogyakarta about 5 years.
Wow, that's amazing. I mean, you can experience living in many different areas. Yeah, I think.
Yes, but I don't like gudeg. I don't like. Yes, it's very sweet. For me, very sweet.
Okay.
I don't like.
Thank you, Bu Baik. What about you, Bu Fenty? What
favorite food? My favorite food favorite food Sundanese food. Sundanese food because it is in West Java. Favorite is very varian.
Yeah. There are many different kinds of food.
Yes. But don't like it food in Semarang because this is very spicy. If I'm in Semarang,
I agree. Very spicy.
Very spicy.
Yeah.
Level 2.
Level 2. Very
level
hot.
You have 12 levels.
Yes.
Level 2 is very hot in my mouth.
Oh my.
I agree.
Yeah. So I'm looking for food, Sundanese food in Semarang, Miss Yunita. Yes.
Where can you find it? The Sundanese food in Semarang.
Sometimes I can find food Sundanese, but like timbal, and then not fish apa ayam, chicken, ayam goreng. Yes, like that, Miss Yunita.
Okay. Bu Baik, do you like Sundanese food?
Hello?
Do you like Sundanese food, Bu Baik?
What the Sundanese?
What Sundanese food do you can you tell us, Bu Fenty? All I know about Sundanese food is the lalap, yeah.
Yes, yes. I know lalap and tahu.
Rice, apa ya, nasi timbal apa ya, Mbak Yunita?
Nasi timbal, ya. How do you describe nasi timbal? What do we have in a nasi timbal?
Nasi timbal is yes, many variant. It's a lalap, and then ayam goreng, and then
I see.
And then apa ya, tempe yang sweet, tempenya sweet gitu. Taste sweet.
Okay, like bacem, ya.
Bacem, yes.
It's cooked with sugar.
In West Java, in seblak, and then
okay.
cilok.
Okay.
Unhealthy food.
but those kinds of food make us happy.
Yes. Addicted.
Yes. And I think that's
tahu Sumedang, ya. Tahu Sumedang.
Yeah, tahu Sumedang. So, what do you think, Ibu Baik? Do you think you like Sundanese food?
I just know tahu Sumedang, Miss.
Tahu Sumedang, but you haven't got the idea of nasi timbal, yeah?
Yes.
Okay.
But maybe the same as Lombok. In Lombok, there are some lalap. Yes, all vegetables.
So you also consume or have or eat vegetables with sambal, yeah?
Yes.
With chili sauce. Great. Now let's see what we are going to practice. So, yeah, this is the emergency food, but we have this a lot. Most people have it a lot. Yeah, this is a noodle. How often do you have this one, Bu Fenty? Do you have noodles? The instant one?
Yes, Miss Yunita, I have, and I like it. Like egg, and then vegetable, and onion, and then the onion. Yes, Miss Yunita.
Yeah, the onion, we put eggs, and then some kinds of vegetables, yes.
Yeah.
And then some chili sometimes, yeah. Right. So let's review some kinds of food, yeah. Okay. Do you like fried rice, Bu Fenty?
Yes, I like it.
Yeah, you can turn the microphone on so we can keep the conversation. Fried rice. What about you, Bu Baik? Do you like fried rice?
I like, but without ketchup.
Oh yeah,
without ketchup, yes.
Why is
maybe
that?
Oriental
fried
rice.
You don't really like the sweet one?
I don't like.
Oh, I see. Okay. Do you make or do you cook fried rice at home? Ibu?
Yes, of course, because my Daiva and my dear, it's
They
favorite
like
food.
fried rice. Ah,
Breakfast
that's
for
nice.
breakfast. But yes, full ketchup.
Oh, so every time you make the fried rice, perhaps you make your own fried rice just for you, or you eat the fried rice with the family?
With my family, for my family.
Okay. What about you? You don't like ketchup, but you put so much?
Yeah, before.
Oh, I see. So you
Before
take,
yes.
okay, you take some for you and then you put a lot of ketchup for the
Yes.
family. Oh, that's sweet. Good. These are the kind of drinks. Which one is your favorite, Bu Baik? Iced tea?
I like juice
Coffee?
guava. Yes.
Okay. Bu Fenty, what about you?
I like coffee.
Coffee.
Yes, coffee. Then I could tea.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Do you like cold drink?
Hot drink? No.
No. So
No.
you usually drink the water or the drink without ice?
Yes.
Right. It's not quite healthy, yeah, to eat cold drinks, right?
Oh, cold drink. I think it's
Cold
tea.
drink.
It's iced tea.
Iced tea. Yes, iced tea. That is iced tea. That was iced tea. These are, yep, these are some food and beverages. Yeah, some food and drinks. We have noodles. And this is the fact, right? The interesting fact about each of the food. Noodles were first made in China. Oh, okay. It's originally from China. And coffee was first formed in the Middle East in 850. Chocolate was brought to Spain from Mexico in 1520. And then French fries was first made in Belgium. This one is now also famous. Sushi, sandwich, pizza, and the hamburger. Yeah. Okay. Now, just now, we have the kinds of food. And then to practice today's focus, you can add more of the kinds of food. And now let's try to describe the food using the adjectives. Yeah. So adjectives are used in English, yeah, to describe the nouns or to describe the things. Because we're talking about food, then we are going to use this to describe our food. Okay. The first one is healthy. Yeah. Health, healthy. Healthy is the adjective. Health is a noun. Okay. Healthy food, healthy lifestyle, healthy diet, healthy person, healthy child. Yeah. So we use adjectives to describe nouns. So the position of adjectives are near nouns. Yeah. Dalam struktur kalimat, adjective ini bisa sendiri tanpa ada noun, bisa juga menjelaskan noun. Let me give you an example. My friend, because I'm not like this, eat very healthy food. What do you think about this sentence? Apakah ada yang perlu ditambah, dikurang, atau sudah betul?
My friend.
Yes, my friend eat very healthy food. What do you think about this sentence? Is it okay? It's correct already? Or do we need to put something to make it correct? Is it correct or incorrect? Can you see the sentence, by the way?
Maybe that my friend eat healthy food. Yes.
Without very.
Without very, maybe.
Without very.
My friend.
Can we say makanan yang sangat sehat?
Oh yeah, my friend.
Okay, let's say.
Healthy food. Healthy itu sudah menunjukkan makanan sehat.
Ya.
Udah sangat sehat gitu ya, Mbak ya.
Adjektif juga, very adjektif.
Ya. Kurang ini, Mi. This one. Yeah, eats healthy food. My friend eats healthy food. Can we say very healthy food? Yes. Tapi sehat, kenapa harus ditambahi sangat sehat? Ya, maybe vegetables, but the organic one, right? So we can say this. In terms of the structure, when we say or when we use adjectives, we can put this one before the noun. Yeah, so we can say, my friend eats healthy food, or well, I like eating healthy food. She has a very healthy lifestyle, or I don't think that I have healthy lifestyle. Or we can say she is healthy. Jadi adjektif itu bisa ditempatkan sendirian. She is healthy. I think I'm healthy. Ya, tapi harus diawali dengan adjective. So like this. Let me write it for you. I think I'm healthy. Yeah. My friend eats very healthy food. Oke, biar sama, saya hilangkan saja very-nya. My friend eats healthy food. I think I'm healthy. This food is healthy, for example. This food is healthy. I think I'm healthy. Yep. This food is healthy. What I want you to know is that healthy can be used before the noun, or it can be used in a sentence, but when we use it without a noun, we need to use it with to be. Jadi adjektif itu fungsinya menjelaskan noun. Dalam kalimat itu digunakan sebelum noun karena untuk menjelaskan noun, atau kalau tidak ada nounnya kita gunakan to be like this. Yeah, the food is healthy. I think I'm healthy. You are healthy. My family is healthy. They are very healthy, right? Okay, this is healthy food. Greasy, salty, rich, spicy, delicious, bland. Greasy means berminyak. Salty, asin. Rich means full of spices, just like what Bu Baik told us, yeah, about ayam betutu. Yeah, so it's very rich. It has so many kinds of spices. Yeah.
Spices, delicious.
So, rich, spicy, delicious, and bland. So we can use these words or adjectives to describe or to talk about food. Bland means it doesn't have so much taste, yeah, tawar, bland. Delicious. Okay. What do you like greasy food, Bu Fenty? I do. I like gorengan. I can't leave it.
Yes.
I don't know why.
Gorengan.
Yes.
Gorengan.
Yeah. It's
every day I make it.
Gorengan bala-bala.
Yes, it's so delicious that we cannot leave it. Okay, yeah. So the vocabulary items just now is the kinds of food and then also the adjectives. Now here comes the grammar focus that we're going to use. We're going to show our agreement, agreeing on something, right? Whether we like it or not, whether we have the same idea or not, yeah? So today we're going to practice using so, to, neither, and either, right? The one on the right, yang di sebelah kanan, this is on the right, is when we respond to negative statements, yeah, the statements with not. The one on the left are the expressions and the responses of the positive statements. So we have so and to respond the positive one, and then we use neither and either to respond to the negative one. Let's see the examples. I like Japanese food a lot. So do I. Or I do too. I do too. I like Japanese food a lot. Or for example, Bufenti says, I like Sundanese food a lot. If you do, then you can say, so do I, or I do too. But like Bu Baik, if you don't really know what Sundanese food is like, then really, I don't know anything about Sundanese food. So I don't know if I like it or not. Yeah, I don't know if I like it or not. Apakah? I don't know whether I like it or not. I'm crazy about dessert. With double S, we have it like as dessert. With single S, kalau S-nya satu, means desert, gurun, padang pasir, ya. So we need to have it with double S. I'm crazy about dessert, so am I, or I am too. I can eat a really spicy food. We can say, so can I, or I can too. Yes. So we can see over here, if the sentence is simple present, I like Japanese food, she likes Japanese food, for example, we can respond by using so do I, or so do they, so they are, so does she, right? So we use do or does. Over here, because we have am, I'm crazy about dessert, so am I. So we just repeat this one, this part. So am I. So we need to focus on this one. I'm crazy about dessert, so am I. Or I am too, I am too, I am too. I can eat really spicy food, so can I. Or I can too. So we just repeat the part over here. Yeah. If this one is simple tense, we use do. I like Japanese food a lot, so do I. I do a lot of assignments, so do I. I have to write a lot this week, so do I. Okay. I'm very busy this week, so am I. Okay, I can stay late at night to do my work, for example. So can I, right? The one on the left, the one on the right, sorry. I don't like greasy food. This one is negative. You can use neither. Neither do I. Neither do I. Or I don't either. I don't either, right? Neither do I don't either. Yeah, remember when we have neither, then we use the positive over here. When we have I don't either. Yeah. Oh, I like it a lot. If you don't agree, then you can say, oh, I like it a lot. I don't like spicy food. Oh, I like it a lot. I don't like spicy food. Neither do I, or I don't either. I'm not in the mood for Indian food. Neither am I. I'm not either. Really? I am. Yeah, as simple as this. I can't stand fast food. Tidak tahan. I can't stand fast food. Neither can I. I can either. Oh, I love it. Yeah. Let's practice. Bu Baik. I'm not crazy about French food.
So am I.
I'm not crazy.
I'm not crazy about French food.
Yes.
Oh, negatif ya.
Uh-uh.
Neither am I.
Neither am I. Very good. Number 2, I can eat any kind of food. Bu Fenty.
So am I.
I can.
Yes, I can eat any kind of food.
So
I can.
So this one.
So can I?
So can I or
So
I can?
I can too.
Bu Baik. I think Mexican food is delicious.
So do I.
So do I. Yes. So we have the same thinking. Yeah. I think Mexican food is delicious. So do I. Number 4. Bu Fenty. I can't stand greasy food.
Neither I can.
Neither.
I can. Neither can I.
Yes. Or I can either.
I can either.
Bu Baik, number 5. I don't like salty food.
Neither do I.
Yes, that's right. Number 6, Bu Fenty. I'm in the mood for something spicy.
So am I.
So am I. Right. 7, Bu Baik. I'm crazy about Korean food.
So am I.
That's right. Number 8, Bu Fenty, back to you. I don't enjoy rich food very much.
I don't either.
I don't either. Good. Number 9, Bu Baik. I always eat healthy food.
So do I.
So do I. Good. Number 10, Bu Fenty. I can eat bland food.
Neither I can. Either.
Neither.
Either I can.
Neither.
Can I?
Can I?
I can either. I can either. So these are the expressions that we can also use to show that we like or that we don't like something. For example, I'm not crazy. I'm crazy about French food, or I'm not crazy. So we don't always have to say I like or I don't like, but we can use this expression. I don't really use this a lot. I'm not crazy. So this is your choice, yeah? I can't stand. I can't stand. So instead of saying I don't like, we can say I can't stand. I can't stand. I don't like or I can't stand. I'm in the mood for something spicy. So we can practice this. I'm in the mood for something spicy. I'm in the mood for something sweet. I'm crazy about. I don't enjoy. I don't like or I don't enjoy. I don't like or I can't eat. I can eat. I can eat meat. I can eat meat, but I like meatball.
Tamimawon.
Yeah. Yes, because since I was with Pak Rohani, I learned to eat more meat.
Okay.
Yes. Neither am I. Yeah, I love it.
Neither.
I'm not crazy about French food. How can we respond? Neither am I or?
I love it.
Neither am I. I love it. This is disagreement. Neither am I or I'm not.
I'm not.
Either. I'm
Either.
not either. Yeah.
I'm not either.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
I can eat any kind of food. So can I? Or I can
I
too.
can do. I can
I
too.
can too.
Yes. I think Mexican food is delicious. This is wrong, yeah? It should be?
Neither do I.
Nah. I
Neither.
think
Neither
this is not correct.
do I.
Yeah. So
Neither do I. Or
so do I. I think Mexican food is delicious, right? So do I.
also do I.
So do I.
This one is the intonation, yeah, the pronunciation or the intonation. Okay, I'm going to play the audio. First, let's focus on the audio. Yeah, I'm not going to show you the sentences because I'd like you to focus on the audio. Okay, let's listen to this one. Listen first, and then we're going to practice together.
Stress in responses. Part A. Listen and practice. Notice how the last word of each response is stressed.
I do too.
I am too.
I can too.
So do I.
So am I.
So can I.
I don't either.
I'm not either.
I can't either.
Neither do I.
Neither am I.
Neither can I.
Okay, we're going to listen again, and this time we're going to repeat after the speaker. We're going to say the same thing.
Exercise 4. Pronunciation. Stress in responses. Part A. Listen and practice. Notice how the last word of each response is stressed.
I do too.
Let's say it together. Yes. I do too. Let's say it together. I do too.
I do too.
I do too.
Yes.
I am too.
Yes.
I am
I am
too.
too.
I am too.
I am too.
I can too.
I can
I
too.
can.
I can too.
So do I.
So do I.
So do
So
I.
do I.
So do I.
Am I?
So am I.
Yeah, so am I. So am I.
So am I.
Can I?
Can I?
So can I.
So can I.
So can
I don't either.
I don't either.
I don't either.
I don't either.
I'm not either.
I don't either.
Yeah, I'm not either.
I know either.
I can either. Yeah.
I
I
can.
can either.
Neither do I.
Neither do I.
Yes.
Neither am I.
Neither am
Neither
I.
am I.
Neither can I.
Neither can
Neither
I.
can I.
Good.
And two.
Now we're going to see the sentences, and then we're going to listen to the intonation. Yep. Now, please focus. This one is the stress, right? So I do too. So do I.
So do
I don't either. Neither do I. Okay, let's see. Let's listen together again.
Stress in responses. Part A. Listen and practice. Notice how the last word of each response is stressed.
I do too.
I am too.
I can too.
So do I.
So am I.
So can I.
I don't either.
I'm not either.
I can't either.
Neither do I.
Neither am I.
Neither can I.
Let's practice. Bu Baik, please. The first sentence. The first part, I mean the first three, yeah?
I do too. I am too. I can too.
Good. Bu Fenty, please.
I do too. I am too. I can too.
Good. The second part, Bu Baik, please.
So do I. So am I. So can I.
Yes, Bu Fenty, please.
So do I. So am I. So can I.
Good. The next one, Bu Fenty, please.
I don't either. I'm not either. I can't either.
Good. Bu Baik, the last one.
Neither do I. Neither am I. Neither can I.
Good. So we know the stress over here in the middle and at yes. Now let's practice. Write statements about these things. Okay, let's see. Let's think about number 1 first. 2 kinds of food you like. Yes, 2 kinds of food you like. Think about 2 kinds of food you like, Bu Baik and Bu Fenty. Think about 2 kinds of food you like. Yes, and then we're going to practice telling the kinds of food that that we like, and then we're going to practice responding to it. If you don't know what kind of food that is, later you need to ask and then you need to describe. Okay. Let's have like 1 minute to think about 2 kinds of food you like. Please have it into sentences. Yeah, for example, I like, I love, I really like, or I think. Right, you can use the expressions showing that you like some food. Okay, what about you, Bu Baik?
I like betutu.
Bu Fenty, please respond. Do you know betutu? Have you had that before, Bu Fenty?
Yes, Miss Yunita?
Have you had or have you eaten ayam betutu before?
Yes, Miss Yunita, I had.
Do you think you like it?
No, but spicy.
So how do you respond to Bu Baik's statement? How do you respond? If Bu Baik says, I like ayam betutu. I like ayam betutu. What do you say?
Neither I am.
If Bu Baik likes it, but you don't, then you can say, but I don't. But I don't. Yes, okay. But I don't. I think it's too spicy for me. Is it always spicy, Ibu Baik? Can we make it not spicy?
No.
Always spicy.
Always spicy. Oh,
ayam betutu always spicy.
Kadang-kadang.
Okay.
I don't like spicy too.
So you can make it not really spicy. It's very little
rich. Yes,
chili.
Chili.
Yes. What do you like, Bu Fenty?
I'm like vegetable nut sauce.
What? Like, sorry? Vegetables?
Vegetable with nut sauce.
Oh,
Gado-gado.
Okay.
Gado-gado kan
like
panjang sekali
gado-gado.
ngomongnya kalau bahasa Inggris ya, Miss Yonita.
Vegetables with peanut sauce.
Yeah, peanut sauce.
Mhm.
Oh, so do I. So do
Yes,
I.
good. Tell us the second food you like, Bu Baik.
Okay. I'm crazy about pizza. I'm crazy about pizza.
Yeah, Bu Fenty.
Yes,
What do
I
you
like
think?
too.
I'm
Yes, I like
crazy.
too.
I'm crazy about pizza. I'm crazy about pizza. So
Yes, yes, I am too.
I am too. Yes.
Yes.
Yes, I am too.
Yes, I'm too.
The second one of yours, Bu Fenty.
I like food, like meatball.
Bu Baik.
Neither do I.
Pasti jawabnya so do
Enggak.
I.
Ini kan ceritanya. Enggak lah. Neither do I.
Neither.
You like it or not?
Ini kan ceritanya.
Ceritanya, yeah. Yes or no? Because Bu Fenty says I like meatball.
Okay.
Do you like it?
I do too.
Okay. But you don't.
I like, but okay, I like. But I'm afraid to.
Afraid what?
What are you afraid of? Okay. Now let's go to the second one. 2 kinds of food you can't stand. 2 kinds of food you can't stand.
What it means?
You don't like.
Don't like.
2 kinds of food you don't like. I can stand meat, for example. I can stand rendang.
Oh.
I think I can't stand gulai or curry. I can't stand very spicy food. Yes, Bu Fenty, what do you say?
Yes, I don't like spicy food.
Bu Baik.
I can. Sorry, Miss Fenty.
I don't like spicy food.
Neither do I.
Okay. Bu Baik, what about you?
I cannot eat gudeg.
Okay. Bu Fenty?
But I like it.
Okay, but I like it, right?
Yes.
Yeah. The second of yours, Bu Fenty, please.
I don't like minuman boleh, Miss Yunita?
Yes, of course.
I don't like soda. What the meaning of
Yeah,
soda?
soda.
Is soda, drinking soda. I don't like drinking soda.
Okay. Miss Yunita,
Yes.
may I ask you,
Mhm.
kalau kita menjawab misalnya sama gitu, sama, saya juga tidak suka.
Soda.
Neither do I.
Oh, itu
I
artinya
don't-
itu ya?
Yes, I don't either.
Oh, tapi kalau kebalikannya, kalau saya,
Kebalikannya, but I like it,
oh,
but I love it.
okay, sorry Miss Fenty.
Yes.
I don't like drinking soda.
Mhm.
I don't either.
Yes. Yeah, I don't either.
I don't either.
Mhm.
Okay. I don't like Coto Makassar, Miss Fenty.
I don't like, I don't either.
Have you
I don't
had it
either.
before, Bu Fenty?
No.
You haven't eaten it before?
No, Miss Yunita, I'm
Belum
not
pernah?
Before.
You
Either before.
haven't had it before, so you need
Yes.
to you need to have it with Bu Baik ya, Bu. Yeah. How often do you cook Coto Makassar, Ibu?
In Semarang about once.
Only once since
Yes.
you live in Semarang.
Yes.
Okay. How often do you go to Makassar?
When I stay in Semarang, no, never.
Never. So
Yes.
do you have
Never,
any
but-
relative? Mhm.
Yes, but my husband every year.
Every year, your husband go to Makassar.
Yes.
Oh,
but
to visit
I'm-
relatives.
I never.
You never go with him. Okay. What about the children?
The same as me.
Oh, I see. So your husband go to Makassar
Yes.
alone,
because-
yeah,
yes.
without a family. I see.
Yes.
But I wonder why Daiva really likes Coto Makassar. You don't really cook that much in Semarang, yeah? But he likes it a lot. Yeah, he can
Yeah.
tell about this kind of food, this food, Coto Makassar, very well. Okay, now we're going to practice more. See, we're going to have a role play. So Bu Baik and Bu Fenty, imagine that you meet, okay? For example, Bu Fenty goes to Semarang and then maybe you're in a canteen or maybe you're somewhere and then let's practice having a conversation. You can tell about anything, yeah? You can tell about anything. You can talk about food, you can talk about your family, you can talk about your activities in Semarang. If it is possible, you can use the expressions that we practiced today. Yeah.
Spontan or no?
Spontan, Bu. Don't worry of making mistakes, yeah. Just let the conversation going, yeah.
Oh my God.
Okay, just think that this is your daily or regular conversation, but this time you have it in English. What do you usually talk about?
Ngomongin apa? Ayo Mbak Fenty.
Yes, okay, please.
Aku mikirnya lama, Mbak. Harus terkonsep.
Pada saat seperti ini butuh Gita nih.
Yeah, that's right.
Terus kita cerita lagi di mana ini, Mbak Baik?
Gak tahu nih ngomong apa nih.
Okay, so the topic is there is no specific topic, yeah?
What about topic?
Mm-hmm.
About food and then about fashion or what? Halo Bu Baik. So long not to see you.
You lie every day.
You meet every day. Yes, please go on.
Meet every day with virtual.
Okay.
In a life, no, we are not. No, apa ya? Not meet before. During pandemic, Miss Yunita, and I miss her. It's about your apa ya? Say about her journal or anything.
Yes, you can talk about that one too. No problem. The point is that we practice our English.
She miss me every day, Miss Yunita. Every day, every time she miss me.
Every day, yes, every day I also call her Miss Yunita.
Okay.
Just to say hello. On or how about your health? Health, and then about this class, this English class, and then yes, because she's galau,
she's worried.
So and then Miss Fenty, how about in English today? You join or not? Gitu.
Okay.
Join or not? I say, okay.
You open our secret.
Yes, because our activity, Miss Yunita, is very, very full, and then this semester, me and Mbak Baik tuh cek apa ya, mata kuliah Mbak Yunita.
Subject
in ecology, and then it's very, very much assessment, and it's very
hard.
Very hard for us. Yes.
Okay.
And then
then I'm going to ask you questions. Yeah. Yeah. So let's have the conversation together.
Okay.
So how many subjects do you have this semester, Bu Baik and Bu Fenty?
Just one.
Just one.
But
yeah. Its assessment is very much.
Okay. You meet virtually.
Yes.
And then you have the assignment weekly, but it takes a lot of your efforts and time. You need to read a lot, and then you need to write and analyze a lot. Is it what you need to do? Yes, okay. Right. So, Bu Baik, what do you think about Bu Fenty? How do you describe Bu Fenty? How long have you known her?
About 3 years.
3 years.
Yes, 3 years. Yes.
Yes.
Miss Fenty. Yes.
And what do you know about Bu Fenty?
It's humble. Miss Fenty is a humble woman. I think.
Yes.
Bu Fenty, what do you say about Bu Baik?
Bu Baik is a very apa ya? I was fun, and then yes, apa ya? Ya cerita apa? cerita atau bertanya tentang apa namanya progress or anything lah, Miss Yunita.
Okay, so it's very caring, ya.
It's very caring, yes. This is very caring. It's very caring, yes.
Okay.
And then she's very supportive. Supportive, and then yes.
You too.
Tanya cuman kami berdua Mbak Yunita di kelas tuh yang social communication.
How many students are there in the class?
15, about 15.
About 15.
15. 15.
And do all of I mean, all of them are of your age, I guess. Younger? Are they very young people, or most of them are of your age? Or maybe there are some who are older?
The same.
Almost the same,
yes.
yeah. Are all of them lecturers, just like you?
No.
Okay. How many of them are male and female?
Male, berapa ya Mbak Baik ya?
Hitung dulu.
Laki-lakinya berapa? Hitung dulu.
I see. So some of them are male and the others are there more males or females?
Male.
More male.
Yeah.
More male.
Okay. And how long do you expect to have your study?
3 years.
I expect 3 years to finish, Miss Yunita.
And
but
this is your second year?
Yes.
Yes.
Second years.
So you expect to finish the study next year?
Inshallah.
I hope.
You hope so. Okay. So what do you say about? Have you visited Semarang, Bu Fenty?
I think I don't know, Miss Yunita, because if goes to Semarang in train is very apa ya, banyak persyaratannya, Miss Yunita.
Difficult.
There are so many requirements.
Yes,
you
so
need
many requirements. Yes, must swab, antigen, and then we have NIC number in the and then it's very much.
There are so many requirements. Yeah.
It's very requirement. Yes.
So have you visited Semarang before since you entered the university or the program? Not yet.
Not yet.
Okay.
No.
Yes.
Yes, you have.
Yes, I have. Before pandemic, I'm living in Semarang, Miss Yunita.
I see. Okay.
Yes.
And have you visited Bu Fenty, Bu Baik? Have you visited Bu Fenty?
No.
No.
Not yet. No.
How do you describe your city, Bu Fenty?
My city?
It's
a little city, Miss Yunita, Miss Baik, Banjar, in a little city, and then very hot.
When we go to Banjar from Semarang, what do we have to do? What should we take? What train should we take? And what station should we go to? And then after that, what do we have to do in order to be in your area or in your city?
Yes, in station Semarang. And then final in station Banjar.
Oh, I see.
The travel perjalanan tuh Mbak ya, Mbak
yes.
The travel is 8 jam.
So it takes 8 hours
It's our-
8
from
hours.
the train station to your
Yes.
place. Okay.
Yes.
To what direction? I mean, from Banjar station, what transportation do you have to use? Bus?
We can, yes, we
Okay.
can travel
Mhm.
and or bus, train.
Mhm.
Yes.
Mhm. And what is the name of the area that we can go to from Banjar station? And then what is the name of the area of yours? The district, I mean, the district.
Yes, district. What I don't know what you mean.
From Banjar station, from Banjar train station, we need to take a travel or a bus to what area?
Terminal. Yes.
Terminal Banjar?
Terminal Banjar. Terminal Banjar.
Okay. So from Semarang, we can take the train to Banjar train station, and then we take the bus or the travel to Banjar bus station.
Bus station.
And it will usually take around 8 hours to go from Banjar train station to Banjar bus station. Is it correct?
Yes, correct.
Correct. Okay. So from Banjar bus station, where do we go? From Banjar station, where do we go?
Maybe maksudnya nggak harus di situ, Mbak Yunita. Tidak harus di stasiun gitu, tapi nanti di si bis tersebut nanti bisa berjalan sampai ke arah Bandung, itu di pinggir jalan bisa berhenti.
I see. Okay.
Di depan rumah.
Right.
Gitu.
Okay. So before around that bus station, or how far is your house from the bus station?
Maybe 2 kilometer.
Oh, I see.
2 kilometer.
So usually the bus will go by in front of your house, and before the bus reaches the bus station, usually that is the house of yours. Rumah Bu Fenty sebelum terminal.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So I can imagine.
Yes.
So it takes around how long do we usually need to go from Semarang to Banjar train station, Bu Fenty? 5 hours?
5 hours.
No, yeah.
8 hours.
8 hours is from Semarang to your house.
Yes.
The total hour, yeah.
Yes.
Sudah
transit in station Purwokerto.
Oh.
Because we changed the train.
Oh, so
Yes.
from Tawang to Purwokerto, and then
Yes.
from Purwokerto to Banjar.
Yes.
I see.
Exactly.
So we take 2 trains.
2 train.
From Tawang to Purwokerto, from Purwokerto to Banjar, and then from Banjar to your house.
Yes. And then in station Purwokerto, we waiting another train. Waiting 3 hours. Yes, 3 hours.
So 8 hours minus the 3 hours waiting hours.
Yes.
Yes. So it takes a lot of efforts for you to go from Banjar to Semarang, yeah?
Yes.
Every 2 weeks, yeah. Every 2 weeks.
It used to be every 2
yes.
weeks before the pandemic. Okay.
Every 2 weeks.
And where did you stay in Semarang, Bu Fenty? Did you rent a house?
Rent house in Sriwijaya
Mhm.
Street, Sriwijaya.
But you
rent
don't
house.
rent one now because of the pandemic, yeah?
No, yes.
You stopped renting the house.
Stop renting house, yes.
How often did you go to Bu Baik's house?
No, never.
Never?
Never. Gak pernah ngajak dia.
Saya kan sombong.
Okay. Yeah. Right. So we are having a wonderful time. Don't worry about the what is it? Yeah. All the difficulty. So please enjoy the process. For next week, I'd like you to share your story. Yeah. It's free topic. So please record
Your story.
Record your voice. You can tell us about your local food, the one that you usually cook, or you can tell us about the food that you like, or you can tell us about your city. So it's a free topic. The objective or the goal is to give you more chance to practice your English. And after listening to your audio, so you can have it using video or audio. So you can share with us your voice only or your video. So you can choose. If it is more comfortable for you to only share your voice, then you can share us your voice only. If it is okay for you to show yourself, then you can make the video. Please share it to our Telegram group. Yeah. And then after hearing that one, we're going to have a feedback next week. So make sure that you send us the video before Tuesday next week. Yeah. The length is of your choice. You can have 5 minutes, 6 minutes, or 7 minutes. The point is that you practice your English, okay? Don't worry about making mistakes, but focus on expressing your self or expressing your ideas. If it is possible, then you can also show the sentences that we practiced today, but because this is your self-talk, then you don't agree on something. So just say or tell about your story. Okay. Any question about today's topic?
Miss Yunita, can you write the assessment in Telegram for us?
Sure.
Because yes, thank you.
Sure.
Forget it.
Yes. Thank you very much for today, Bu Baik and Bu Fenty. Keep up the high spirit. Let's practice together. Don't worry about the mistakes. Don't worry about, don't be discouraged. Yeah, let's practice together. See
Thank you, Miss Yunita.
You're welcome. Alhamdulillahirrahmanirrahim. See you next week. Bu Baik and Bu Fenty. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.